Welcome back to Expedition Jack. Today we're going to be doing something very self-explanatory, especially as this is quite a visual video. Myself and my dad went about replacing the choke cable in my 1974 MGB GT. It was starting to jam and holding the choke at full throttle. As you can see, it's a little worse for wear, and this is how he got on.
The lame, the weak, too afraid to start the dreams that only came to pass them by. Here's to the broken man who stood and walked when he heard you can, 'cause it shows me that faith is more than sight. Here's to the wandering child looking for a star to guide, pushing through the darkness of the night. Hold your hand up to your heart. I know it's just a chance to start. I know that it might feel like it's too hard.
So as you can see, it works. Comment down below any questions you may have and I'll try and get back to you. And stay tuned to join the expedition.